ever uploaded a video on YouTube, but the video did not do well? One thing about YouTube is timing. When you are able to detect the right time for you to upload your video, definitely that video will get views. But when you upload your video when your viewers are offline, that video is most likely not going to do well. But not to worry, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the best time for you to upload your video by checking when your viewers are most active or online. And this feature is built right in the YouTube studio. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure on how you can check when your viewers are most active online. So you're going to go over to your studio. Okay, go to your studio. Then you're going to come over to analytics. You click on analytics, and then analytics, you're going to come over to audience. You're going to click audience, and then you scroll down. All right, okay, so this is what you're going to be looking at here. So if you take a very good look at this chart, now these are the days of the week, and these are the time that your viewers are most likely to be online. Okay, so now if you look at this this first one right here represents 12 midnight, then this is 6 a.m., this is 12 noon, and this is 6 p.m. So you have to study this timing and know this timing. Now also look at this part here. From here you can see that the purple lines are faint, which represents few viewers, and from here all the way the purple lines are brighter, which represents many viewers. So this is to tell you that the darker part of this chart shows that you have low views if you upload your video at that time. And when you upload your videos at the time where you have the brighter purple colors, it will show that you are going to have a lot of viewers when you upload at that time. Okay, so now looking at the 12 midnight, you're going to see that all of these parts for 12 midnight is dark. So if I upload a video at this time, there is every possibility that I am not going to get a single view. Yes, that is what it means. So study the chart. Yours might be different from mine. This is my own chart. So yours might not necessarily be like this. It's going to be different, but you just need to study the darker part and the brighter part of the chart. Okay, so you can see that at 12 midnight my chart is very dark, so there's not going to be any form of view if I should upload any video at this time. Okay, now moving on, look at the 6 p.m. Some part of the 6 p.m. is bright while some parts are dark. You can see that. Now look at below 6 p.m. here. This is very dark. Just a little part of it this way is bright. So this is to tell me that with this chart, it is telling me that if I upload my video at 6 p.m., I'm going to get few viewers. It's not as if I'm not going to get some views, but they are going to be few. Okay, so now my chart is telling me that the best time for me to upload, you can see now from 6 a.m., you can see that my 6 a.m. has some bright colors and my 12 noon has more of the bright colors. So this shows that if I want to upload my video, I should be able to upload my video between 6 a.m. to 12 noon. You can see, because this part represents midnight, this part represents 6 a.m., this part represents 12 noon, while this part represents 6 p.m. So if I upload my videos between 6 a.m. and 12 noon, I'm going to get views. But if I upload my video by 12 noon on the dot, I'm going to get more of the views. So from my chart that I'm studying now, I can see that between 6 a.m. and 12 noon, I should be able to upload my video between this time frame and I will get views. So 6 a.m. and 12 and 6 p.m. If I upload my video around this time, I'm going to get views, but more will come immediately when I upload by 12 noon. So you can see the chart. So with this, you should be able to study your charts to know when is the best time for you to upload your video. If I upload by 6, I'm still going to get views, but they are going to be few. If I upload by 12, I'll get a lot of views. So I'm going to show you another way that you can also check when your viewers are online. Okay, so let's move back. Now we'll go back to overview. Now this is my overview. Now I'm going to scroll down. All right, so here we are. So yes, you can see with this chart, you can also be able to monitor when your viewers are online. Okay, now let's take a look at this first one here. You can see the time this video got views at 7 a.m. Look at this other time. The views at 4 p.m. was very low, and the view picked up by 7 by 7 a 4 a.m. and by 7 the view picked up. You can see, take a look at the next one. You can see this by 1 p.m. you can see it. So you can see that at this timing, my views went up. This is 3 p.m. my views went up, and then it came down again. You can see, and coming here again by this is around already 8 p.m. and my views has gone up again. So it fluctuates. It's just for you to be able to study the time to know when you can upload your video. All right, so with this, I believe you are going to be able to study the time that you are supposed to upload your video. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please do well to like this video. Okay, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. So with this, we come to the end of today's tutorial, and it is bye for now. Bye.